Hey there, ready for a fun and tasty science adventure? In this video, we are going to build an edible cell model using food you probably already have at home. It's a creative and delicious way to learn all about the parts of a cell and what they do. Let's get started. The objective of this activity is to create a simple 3D model of an animal cell using edible items. This hands on approach helps make learning both fun and memorable. Here's what you will need for this activity: jelly for cytoplasm, a grape for the nucleus, chocolate chips as mitochondria, fruit slices for Golgi bodies, gummy rings for vacuoles, and a cake base or biscuit as the cell's base. Also have some toothpicks and paper ready for labeling. Let's build our edible cell. Step 1. Spread jelly on the cake base. This represents the cytoplasm. Step 2. Place a grape in the center as the nucleus. Step 3. Add chocolate chips for mitochondria and gummy rings as vacuoles. Step 4. Use fruit slices for the Golgi bodies and decorate with other small candies to represent organelles like ribosomes. Finally, use labeled toothpicks to name each part. If you are making a plant cell, add a green border like a cucumber slice or green candy to represent the cell wall and use green jelly beans for chloroplasts. This activity helps you understand the structure and layout of a cell, identify and remember cell organelles, learn the difference between plant and animal cells, and most importantly, enjoy learning through a fun edible model. Now it's your turn. Create your own edible cell at home. Take a photo and label the parts. Then share it with your class or tag us with hashtag edible cell challenge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fun science content.